Heritage AI is a digital inheritance vault. It organizes the scattered pieces of your financial and personal life and ensures they are delivered to the right people at the right time. Today, we are going to set up your vault in 4 distinct steps. We'll create your account, secure a single asset, assign a beneficiary, and establish your automated check-in. To follow along right now, you need 4 things: the device you are watching this on, a valid piece of ID, the details of one asset, and contact info for one person. Over the next 5 minutes, we will map your first asset to a beneficiary and establish the cryptographic timer that governs its delivery. Step 1. Go to the Heritage platform and create your account. You will start with a mandatory KYC identity verification. This ensures the platform is used only by verified individuals, adding a layer of legitimacy to the entire inheritance chain. Next, establish your master password and configure your multi-factor authentication or Face ID. This step requires your attention because of the specific architecture underlying the system. Heritage operates on a principle of zero-knowledge encryption. Your data is encrypted locally on your device before it ever leaves your hands. Heritage servers only store an opaque, meaningless block of data. Because the key never reaches the servers, Heritage mathematically cannot read your vault contents, and they cannot recover a lost password. This makes your recovery phrase critical. Write it down, branching off entirely offline, and store it in a physical safe. If you lose your password and your recovery phrase, you lock yourself out permanently. The math makes the vault impenetrable, even to the people who built it. That absolute security requires absolute personal responsibility. Let's look at your central dashboard. To secure your first piece of information, select the command to add a new item. Select an asset category. You can choose anything from bank accounts and business shares to a cryptocurrency seed phrase or the physical property deed location. Type in the necessary access instructions and securely upload any corresponding certificates of authenticity or legal documents directly to the entry. That single asset is no longer sitting exposed in a desk drawer or hidden on a random hard drive. It is now part of an organized, encrypted ecosystem. Step 3 is deciding who receives that asset. Navigate to the Beneficiaries tab and enter the contact information for your spouse, adult child, or business partner. Once the profile is created, simply draw a direct line between the specific asset you just secured and the person receiving it. Heritage utilizes selective delivery. Unlike a traditional will where everything is grouped together, each designated person receives exactly what you assign to them and nothing more. By targeting the delivery, you eliminate the guesswork for your family, sparing them from sorting through complex documents during a period of grief. Finally, step 4. Open your settings to configure your heartbeat interval. You can set Heritage to check in with you every 15, 30, 60, or 90 days. This cadence drives the delivery mechanism, which relies on a cryptographic time lock called DRAND. The encryption key is mathematically tied to a specific future date using a decentralized time beacon network. When Heritage sends a quiet reminder, you tap to confirm you're active. That action pushes the time lock further into the future, keeping data sealed. If you drop your phone or miss an email, do not panic. Failing to respond to one notification initiates a multi-unique escalation sequence across several contact methods. It does not trigger an immediate unlock. The entire protocol is engineered to protect the living. It only matures when an irreversible absence is confirmed. Your vault is now active. You have secured an asset, assigned it to the right person, and established the automated monitor. When the time lock matures, the system assembles your data into organized envelopes, delivering each directly to its destination without human intervention. You currently have a 3-month free trial. Use this time to finish the job. Input the rest of your accounts, property details, and personal letters. Once you see how it works, you can choose the €149 annual continuity plan or secure your setup permanently with the €1,000 lifetime plan. By completing this process, you have provided your family with a clear map of your life's work, ensuring that what you've built remains accessible to the people you love.